Springtime, good morning boys and girls. It's another WRCC walk around with me, Dan. Today it's an exceptionally nice 1963 Trafalgar blue Traveller, obviously a Morris Minor. As you can see, I'll give you a walk around. Paintwork's absolutely excellent, really good underneath. Would say it's perfect, and I don't like to use the word perfect very often, but as you can see, not a mark on it. So the ash is in very good order. Go around again, lovely sheen to the paint, new wing piping, recon wheels, fitted a new boot liner to it. This one's 1098, so you've got the advantage of an early car. It's pull start type, gold clock banjo steering wheel, excellent chrome as you can see. It's got 1098 fitted, so you've got that bit extra power from a 948, which people like. So you've got the best of both worlds, your 1098 engine and your nice little touches that you'd have on a 948 car. So all the way around once again, and then we'll have a look at the inside, which is absolutely lovely. This is a real beauty, is this one. As are all West Riding Classic cars, Morris Minors, not just this one. But door apertures nice and clean, as you can see. Carpet's good. Newish boot liners, not boot liners, newish glove box liners. 6 keepers on the logbook, showing 13,000 miles thereabouts, 13,032, but what's 32 miles between friends? As I said before, gold clock, pull start. One big advantage of this one, obviously, it's got the Suffolk recliners, which if you're going to buy them, it costs about 650 quid a piece. So that's a nice saving. Good if you've got a bad back or you struggle. Rear card's good, carpet's good. Rear seat's nice and clean. Headlining, as you can see, again, all good. Steering wheel, banjo wheels in really good order. You've got a 12-volt socket down there for your sat nav, phone charging, etc. And this 1098 engine, once again, as I say, nice and clean. Inner wings, tie plates, bulkhead, not a mark, blemish or anything on it really. Really nice clean car. It passed the, as we mention it every time we come up here, it passed the West Riding bumpy road test, so all the bushes and the suspension are all in good order. Started first crack as well. Obviously I came in this morning, opened the doors on the showroom, turned the key, pulled the start, and it started first time, so it's very reliable. It's obviously been a really well maintained car, as well as being really good, you know, being maintained sort of cosmetically. It's been well maintained mechanically as well. As I say, we fitted a new boot liner because the old one were a little bit tatty. As you can see, doors are all in perfect order. The rest of the wood's all in perfect order. You can see, look down the headlining, see that's in good order as well. Nigh on perfect. All the chrome's excellent. It hasn't got a bad point to it really. Most important bit there, the old WRCC insignia. As we've got a new arrival with a collectible WRCC insignia on, which I'll make a video of later on today. But this one is on at 15,995. It's worth every penny in my opinion. I mean, as everybody knows at the moment, Morris Minors are rocketing, but this is a really good quality and reasonably priced Traveller. So, as always, pick your phone up, give us a call if you want some further details. It's 01422881221. As for Dan, that's me in sales. Send us an email, inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk, or you can visit www.westridingclassics.co.uk. Further details will be on today. and we've just been disturbed by a pair of Apache gunships going over. So there you go, up there. So that's what the noise is. Anywho, back to Morris Miners. So give us a call, come and view her, come and have a look, come and have a drive, and I guarantee you'll be impressed. Thanks guys.